Hello crafting, welcome back to my channel Ibi's Fine Crafties. I am Ibiwari. Today we'll be making cinnamon curls. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Watch to the end and you'll see the beautiful fascinator creation this cinnamon curls we are about to make was used for. So all we need for today's project is tsunami, a piece of cinnamon cut from the bias. So if you want to know how to cut your cinnamon from the bias, the link is up above to one of our video. So just watch that video, you get to see how to cut your cinnamon from the bias. So for this project, I didn't take any measurements because it depends on you, the size of the curl you want to make. So you just cut your cinnamon as to your preference. If you want it small, cut out a small cinnamon from the bias, maybe say 4 inches. If you want it big, 6 to 8 inches, depending how you want it. So after you cut out your cinnamon on the bias, you fold in two. Fold your piece of cinnamon in two. After folding, you stretch along the folded edge. Just give it a little stretch. Now this is a quick millinery tip where we don't have to use steam, we don't have to use iron, just a quick tip for you. So if maybe you're in a situation where you don't have access to iron or hot steam, you can still make your cinnamon curl. So this is the essence of making this millinery tip tutorial today, so we can get to see how we can quickly do certain things when the necessary things are not available. So after folding in half, you unfold, then you fold each side towards the center. That is the center half you folded before. When you unfold, you fold each side towards the center. Now don't fold it directly to the center, because if you do so, the cinnamon will come off that center part and it can pierce or irritate you when it touches your head or your skin. So that's why you fold a bit towards that half mark, but not directly on the half mark. You fold both sides towards the half mark, but not directly on the half mark. And the reason is not to allow the cinnamon, when you fold it, to come out from that side and irritate your skin when you're using your earth-piece. So when you're done folding both parts towards the half mark, then you bring them together. Stretch a bit. This tutorial is very quick and easy. So you bring them together, stretch a bit. Then all you need to do is fold between your fingers. Depend the width of curls you want. You can fold using one finger, but I'm using 2 fingers here. I want my curls a little bit big. If you want it small, you fold round one of your finger. So I'm folding round 2 of my fingers. Just fold, then hold in place for a while. I did it in less than 5 held it together in less than 5 minutes. Now you're folding it and holding between your arm. The warmth from your hand helps it to retain its shape. So you just hold it, say about 5 minutes, then you pull off gently. Now when you're pulling, just pull off gently. Pull it out of your fingers first, then pull out from the inside, not unwrapping from the outside. You pull from the inside and you get your curls. Is that easy? Is that easy? Your curl is ready. Your cinnamon curl is ready. So you can do this any length, any size, and just imagine these different lengths and different sizes. It will be spectacular. So you can do it any length, any size, as you wish. So if you're still watching up until now and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and join the craft team. So to finish up our tip, we'll just give it a slanting shape. Now your tip should be towards the closed edge. Don't slant towards the open edge. Slant it towards, let your tip be at the closed edge. So you just slant both sides, give it a little bit of shape. And that's all. Is that quick and easy, but it will make your headpiece or your fascinator stand out. So as I promise you, watch till the end, you see the creation I made use of these curls for. You can also use it on your headband to style your headband, that shake style, you know. Yes, you can use it too for your headband. And for this customized headband, there is a link also up above for you to see how it was made. Wow, look at this headpiece. Isn't this beautiful? Very beautiful. And here comes the, oh my word, this is beautiful. Thank you for watching. Bye. And be creative.